Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to be mounting the grill shell. So I've spent a little bit of time just kind of thinking about how I want to mount this grill, and as you just saw, I did make some relief cuts here on both sides in order so that the grill can slide further in this way. And let me know in the comments what you guys think of this. There's this flange here that mounted the hood, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna run the hood or not on this car. Most likely not. And I'm kind of thinking about trimming this off. And my idea behind that is I feel like it'll make the grill look a little bit cleaner. And it's not really serving any purpose. So maybe grinding it off or cutting it off with the angle grinder and then just like sanding it nice and smooth so we maintain like this smooth line. But let me know in the comments what you think. But for now, I just cut it here just to get it out of the way so it can slide in. So after looking at the grill mounted in place for a little bit, I think what I decided I need to do is I need to build a flange here. And that flange will kind of reinforce the cross member, and it'll also give me a place to mount the grill shell. And my idea is I'll kind of make a piece that kind of has two flanges that come out here, and then it'll continue this way like this, and then do the same on this side. But what I think I need to do first is I want this flange to be mounted level so that the grill can be nice and level when it sits on top of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this piece off right here. That way I can clean up the metal here and also here, and it'll allow me to sit the new flange on this edge and then tilt it up, and then I don't have this excess metal here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the angle grinder and cut off the bottom section of those two frame rails here. So now that I have those pieces cut out of those corners, I have a piece of steel here, and I'm just gonna start taking some measurements and drawing out what I want this to look like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put you guys up in the tripod and go ahead and take care of this. so I've made my little piece that I'll be welding in right here. I drilled these holes in these corners because that's what I'm going to be removing. Basically this here. But I'm trying to prevent the piece from warping too much since this is going to be thin and it's a flat panel. I don't want it to warp, so I left the material on there until after I have it welded in here. So I'm going to go ahead and throw a few tacks here, and then in the corners, and kind of level everything out once I have it tacked in place. And then, yeah, I'll probably go ahead and remove the material from the middle there. So it's all welded in, and I'm actually really happy with these TIG welds I did. Really getting a lot better. And that's what, you know, the old saying, practice makes perfect. But if you compare, this is when I just got the welder, and then this is now. So I've only had the welder since March. And yeah. That's which this is an easier part to weld, but that's the improvement. So now that that's welded in, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this piece out. I drilled a little hole there and there, and then I'll kind of mark where I have to cut. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that out. Guys, that's all I had time for this week. Right now I'm on my way to work. The week kind of picked up, so I wasn't able to do as much as I was hoping, but progress is progress. They're trying to save a turtle out of the road. I know I said in last week's video that I was going to be doing something different for this week's video, but I just need a little bit more time. The video I'm working on, I'm putting a lot of effort into it, so it's taking me a lot longer, but I promise that when it comes out, or I guess I can't promise, but I hope it's good. I'm learning how to edit videos and I'm getting better at it, I think, but yeah, this one I just needed some more time, so I can't really say exactly when I'm going to put it out. But as far as the rat rod project goes, everything's going good. We have some exciting things coming up for that project. Let me think. My brother is going to be in town again in a couple weeks, so hopefully we'll make a ton of progress. But yeah, we got some good things coming. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'm on my way to work. This video will be out today. This is actually the day I'm releasing it. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see ya in the next one.